What began as a promise to the community more than a century ago is today the largest healthcare provider in North Texas.
Baylor was started 110 years ago, so it has a long, rich tradition as a Christian ministry of healing. And over the decades now it has really grown and obviously has been an economic engine for the North Texas area, particularly Dallas-Fort Worth.
What began as an idea by two physicians, also more than a century ago, is today the pride of Central Texas.
Well, Dr. Scott and Dr. White were unique. They really had an original idea 115 years ago, and they set up the organization in a way that it has grown over the years and now has about 13,000 employees in this area.
Baylor Healthcare System and Scott and White Healthcare. Both institutions in the communities they serve. Both nationally recognized providers with a vision for the future.
You have two of the preeminent healthcare providers, not-for-profit healthcare providers in Texas coming together as partners. I think that says a lot, but more importantly, I think this sets the stage, this merger, for the model of healthcare that you're going to see going forward throughout the country.
It's seldom that I've seen that both sides make the entity much better. So it is of mutual, and the uniqueness of this system is not just going to be a regional hospital in Texas. It's going to be one of the premier hospital systems in America and in the world.
Joining forces, combining strengths, uniting and aligning. The power of two under one powerful name, Baylor Scott and White Health.
I'm very excited about this opportunity because I believe it gives us the real opportunity to transform healthcare in this country.
This is going to be wonderful for the patients because when you combine the capacities and capabilities of Baylor with the capacities and capabilities of Scott and White, the patients win.
The new Baylor Scott and White Health includes 43 hospitals, more than 500 patient care sites, 4,000 active physicians, 34,000 employees, and the Scott and White Health Plan.
The merger of these two great organizations will create the largest not-for-profit healthcare system in the state of Texas. It will also be one of the largest in the nation.
Baylor Scott and White Health means for patients greater, more convenient access to world-class healthcare, increased coordination of patient care, and improved patient outcomes by combining the best practices of two healthcare systems nationally recognized for quality.
Bringing these two organizations together to give the size that's going to be able to help us deal with population medicine is what's the promise for the future.
If you're going to be successful in our environment today, whatever business you're in, you've got to drive change. And this is the leadership of Baylor Scott and White driving change.
Baylor Scott and White Health, an $8 billion organization with 2 times the vision, the mission, and resources for Texas and beyond, today and into the future.